Now let's define scalar product of two vectors. Now definition. Let vector A and vector B be two non-zero vectors the scalar product of vector A and vector B is denoted by vector A dot vector B and is defined as the product of the magnitudes of vector A and vector B with cosine of angle theta between them. Once again, if A and B are the two non-zero vectors and we are denoting it with A dot B, okay, that's why it is written scalar or a dot product, okay. And how it is defined? The magnitudes of vector A and vector B with cosine of the angle theta between them. Now symbolically we are writing vector A dot vector B. This is equal to vector A vector B cos theta, where vector A is equal to magnitude of vector A and vector B is equal to magnitude of vector B. Okay. So now main thing is what? How we are writing it? We are writing it magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B cos theta is equal to vector A, vector B cos theta, where 0 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to pi. Is it clear? Now the scalar product vector A dot vector B is read as vector A dot vector B. The scalar product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. So this is all about the definition for the scalar product of two vectors. Now main thing what we are having, it is this one, okay. So once again just a briefing, we are having vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A, vector B with cos theta and is equal to AB cos theta. This is what about the